Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button D and D, which stands for Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode, and by tapping, not tapping, but by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can also switch it here. You can set up a schedule for it. You just select start time, end time, and days on which it will repeat. You can enable it automatically when device is locked. You can also notify yourself about calls from anyone, from contacts only, from shared contacts only, or from nobody. And you can also notify about repeated calls, ring or vibrate while receiving the second call from the same contact within 15 minutes. And that's all the settings for this mode. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.